Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to your Xbox One. First, we will look at the direct pairing models, including Gen 1 and Gen 2 Xbox versions. Start by turning on your headset. Then, turn on your Xbox One console. Next, locate the pairing button on your Xbox One. If you are using an Xbox One S or X, the button is on the lower right side of the front panel. If you are using the original Xbox One, the button is on the left side near the disk drive. Press this button once. You will see the Xbox light begin to blink quickly. This means the console is now in pairing mode. Now, pick up your headset and find the connect button. It is usually near the charging port. Press and hold this button until the LED on the headset starts flashing rapidly. This means the headset is also in pairing mode. Wait a few seconds. Once connected, both lights will stop blinking and stay solid. You may hear a tone in your headset, and a message may appear on your screen confirming the connection. Now, for USB transmitter models. If your headset came with a USB dongle, plug it into your Xbox One while the console is on. If there is a switch, set it to Xbox mode. Then turn on your headset. The devices should pair automatically. When connected, the lights will turn solid green. After pairing, you should adjust your audio settings for the best sound experience. Go to Settings, then General, and select Volume and Audio Output. Find the headset format option and set it to Windows Sonic for headphones. This will enable surround sound and improve your overall audio quality while gaming. Thanks for watching.